Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on Pixiv. You will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. You will click here on this page of Pixiv and you will enter to this window. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will go to storage. You will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your